This is going to be a super quick video. See these two little points? If your water dispenser is trickling it out and you put a new filter and you're still getting trickling out, these little points are what enable the water. They're just not being pressed in far enough for some reason. This ring is a slice of about a dime thickness off of a Schedule 40 PVC pipe. You can buy a foot of it or 2 feet of it at the hardware store for about $1. Slice off of a dime-sized piece, put it on the post like this, reinstall your filter, or install a new filter if you wish, and your water flow has been restored. $1 beats 80 plus installation costs, hands down. Hope the manufacturers get around to providing these little washers. Hope this helps you. Take care.